No matter if you are a young boy or an old man, male or female, I will make sure that by the end of this video you have all the knowledge it needs to make, if not more than at least $3,000 every month from YouTube. And if you follow all my steps correctly, you will be able to make even more than $3,000. And yeah, that too from YouTube Shorts. And you don't even need millions of views for that. As you stick with me in this video, things will slowly start to make a lot more sense to you. So don't skip any part of this video because every point is very crucial. This channel here has more than 1 million subscribers there. Every video ranks in millions of views. If we check their most oldest video, it was uploaded only 11 months ago. They have grown tremendously, which seems impossible. And according to Social Blade, this channel is earning average $15,000 every month. But I'm confident that this guy is earning way more than what Social Blade is showing, like about $50,000 every month. No cap, and I have cracked their code by digging deep. I found out the reason behind this much success, and to your surprise, monetization is not even the main source of their earnings. Yes, you heard me right. If you have the patience to watch this video till the end, you will know every secret behind these channels making this massive money, and I'm here to provide you with a roadmap that you need to start making money by yourself. I will start with the basic step, which is creating a new channel. You can skip this point if you want to. So to create a new channel, click on your profile, then click on Switch Accounts, then click on View, All Channel, then click on Create a New Channel. Now you can just write down your channel name if you have any in your mind, or we will just take the help of ChatGPT to come up with some good names for a YouTube channel on Wisdom Story Niche, and ChatGPT will spit them all out. All you need to do now is just pick up a name and set up your channel. It's that simple for channel logo. I always like to save my precious time in ideation instead of wasting in logo and banner, so I simply download a relative image from Lexica AI. You just need to just write down what you have in your mind, and it will then provide you images. Feel free to download and use any image you like for your channel logo. Then open YouTube Studio and then go to customization and then channel branding and simply upload your logo. Just adjust it so that it looks good and just save it. And here you go. Our logo is set for channel banner. Trust me, for starting. Just leave it as it is. No one is going to subscribe your channel by analyzing your channel banner. And there is one more step we need to do. We have to get a well-written description for your channel, and for that purpose, we are going to use ChatGPT. I will just provide ChatGPT a prompt so that we can get our channel description in no time. Don't worry, all the prompts will be pinned in the comment section of this video. Simply copy up the description and then go to basic info and then paste the description here. Now, never forget to provide your email here for sponsorships. No one will tell you this, but you don't know how much money you can make with sponsorships. You will realize this once you provide your email so that brands can contact you. And here we go, fellas, our channel is created. Now, when it comes to script, if you have a killer script, you've already increased your chances of going viral by sweet 60%. Yep, that's true. You need to pay a lot of attention here. To get a killer script, you first need killer video idea. For that, we will simply command ChatGPT to provide me killer video ideas on Wisdom Story Niche in the form of titles, and GPT will then spit them out right in front of you. Now, all you need to do is read and analyze each title and think like a viewer. Ask yourself, which video topic here would you watch if you were a viewer, not a creator, and you will have your video topic in your hands in no time. You need to stop making what you like and start making what people will like, and this is exactly how you do it. Then we will ask ChatGPT to provide me a short script of about 800 characters in a single paragraph on this topic. Use only easy and simple English that is easy to understand yet engaging to watch, and you will have a powerful script that is exactly what you need to make a killer video. But besides, script uploading time is very important in case of shorts, which I will reveal by the end of this video, so don't miss it. Now guys, if you even focus for just a second, you will see that this channel has same type of characters and image style, which is possible only with the help of AI, which means that this channel is running completely on autopilot, and I have a very special AI tool with me today that will do the job here, named AI Cut. With the help of this AI tool, you can upload one short every single day without compromising quality. The biggest problem you will ever face in growing a channel is consistency, but this tool here will do the job for, first, make a free account, and then here's the main interface. You can make videos on different niches. You can explore that by yourself for now. Simply click on AI Image Store, then simply copy up your script from ChatGPT and paste it here, and then from below you can choose your preferred language. Then from second option named video, you can select your image model. I will go with magical because it seems awesome then. After that, you can choose a template for captions. These are some really cool templates, and this glowy one is my personal favorite. And form voices, you can switch to 11 Labs. Premium voices, which are very realistic. Take your time, guys, and choose a voice of your dreams. I really like the voice of this guy named Marcus. It's deep and engaging to listen. Then at final, you can also choose a background music for your video, which is a very amazing feature of AI Cut. Then just click on Create Video, and AI Cut will then start making the video for you, and then simply click on this word to see your video progress. AI Cut will make the video for you in 2 to 5 minutes. Till then, I want to tell you that don't let this opportunity slip from your hands. You can literally automate your YouTube channel in just $15, while you can earn 100 times more than what you invest. So if I were you, I won't miss this chance, and to tell you, I even use AI tools to automate my other channels, and best part, I am about to upload this final video on one of my own channels. Yep, that's right, and our video is ready here. Now all you need to do is just download the video, and let's check out the final results.
Once upon a time, there was a proud king who believed he was the wisest of all. To test his wisdom, he invited 3 wise men to his court. The first wise man brought a rock and said, "This rock is strong, but it cannot grow. Strength without growth is useless." The second wise man presented...
Guys, that was absolutely amazing. I love it. And one more thing about AI Cut that I like it is that this AI tool is not credits hungry. They charge only 1 credit for 1 video, and for 30 credits, you can make 30 videos. As I said before, you can upload 1 video daily, which will provide a good impression on YouTube. Now let's upload our video with SEO. Do you remember in starting we asked ChatGPT to provide us killer video topics in form of titles, right? I know you remember that. You are smart. The reason we asked for video topics in form of titles is because our video will be completely revolving around our title, which makes it easy for YouTube to identify our target audience. So we will just copy our video title and paste it here, and then we need to give 3 to 4 hashtags like wisdom story, motivational, life lessons. And you can give 1 more related to your video topic, or just go on with these 3 hashtags, and congrats, we passed copyright check. And for uploading time, well, it's different for every country, and you can find your best time in 1 minute by just thinking at which hours you think people would be mostly active on YouTube in your country. And yeah, you got your uploading time. For me, the best time I found for uploading my videos is around 5 p.m. Guys, I must tell you that depending solely on monetization for revenue may be the worst step you will ever take. You should be open for sponsorships. And also, affiliate marketing is by far the best source of making money from your very first video. Consider you promote a product that costs $50 and it offers a commission of 30%, which means you get $15 per sale. So consider your video gets 10,000 views, which is very easy in case of shorts. And if we take the worst scenario, like only 30 people out of 10,000 buy that product. So if we multiply $15 with 30, it is a whopping $450 from just 1 video. And I will tell you, some products on Wisdom Niche that you can sell this niche has a lot of potential in affiliate work. First of all, you can sell self-improvement books like Atomic Habits by James Clear, or The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, Rich Dad Poor Day by Robert Kiyosaki, and many more. You can also affiliate mindfulness accessories. There are a lot of products that you can affiliate on this niche. So using AI Cut to save your time is the best option you have. You can then invest the extra time on ideation and strategies of finding more ways to earn.